Demystifying sklearn's F-Classif, a comprehensive guide. The F-Classif function in scikit-learn's features election module is a powerful tool for univariate feature selection, particularly useful when dealing with classification tasks. It leverages the ANOVA F statistic to assess the relationship between each individual feature and the target variable. This information can guide you in selecting the most relevant features for your model, potentially leading to improved performance and reduced complexity. Let's dive into the details. What is F-Classif and what does it do? Objective F-Classif aims to identify features that are most strongly associated with the target variable in a classification setting. Method: it calculates the ANOVA F statistic for each feature, comparing the variance between the classes to the variance within the classes. Output: the function returns two key outputs. F statistic, a measure of how well each feature explains the variation in the target variable. Higher values indicate stronger relationships. P-value, the probability of observing the given F statistic if there were no association between the feature and the target. Lower p-values suggest a significant relationship. Understanding the underlying principle ANOVA F statistic. The ANOVA F statistic F-test is a statistical test that assesses the variance between groups. Classes, in our case, relative to the variance within groups. The key idea is, high F statistic signifies a large difference in means between groups, indicating that the feature is discriminative and likely contributes to the classification. Low F statistic signifies that the means between groups are similar, implying that the feature doesn't offer much discriminatory power. Practical applications of F-Classif. Feature selection. The most common use is to select a subset of features that are most likely to contribute to the classification task. This can be done by selecting features with F statistics above a certain threshold, selecting features with p-values below a predefined significance level, e.g. 0.05, using a specific number of top-ranked features based on F statistic. Feature ranking. F-Classif can also be used to rank features based on their importance. This can be valuable for identifying the most influential features, for understanding the underlying relationships, prioritizing features for further investigation or exploration. Dimensionality reduction. F-Classif can be a pre-processing step before applying more complex dimensionality reduction techniques like principal component analysis (PCA). Code example: Python. From sklearn, features election import F-Classif. From sklearn, datasets import load iris. Import pandas as PD. Load the iris dataset. Iris load iris. XPD, data frame iris. Data column series, feature names. Y iris, target. Calculate the F statistic and p-value. F statistic. P-value. F-Classif X. Y. Print the results. Print F statistic. F statistic. Print p-value. P-value. Advantages and limitations. Advantages. Simplicity, easy to understand and implement. Speed, relatively fast, especially for datasets with many features. Feature ranking provides a clear ranking of features based on their relevance. Limitations. Univariate nature. F-Classif only considers one feature at a time, neglecting potential interactions between features. Overfitting risk. Using F-Classif solely for feature selection can lead to overfitting, especially when the number of features is high compared to the sample size. Dependence on data. Results can be sensitive to outliers and data scaling. Best practices and considerations. Combine with other techniques. Use F-Classif in conjunction with other feature selection methods or model evaluation metrics for a more comprehensive assessment. Data preprocessing: normalize or standardize your data before applying F-classif to avoid bias due to different scales. Cross-validation: evaluate the selected features using cross-validation to ensure robustness and prevent overfitting. Domain expertise: consider incorporating domain knowledge to refine feature selection based on the specific problem context. In conclusion, F-classif is a powerful tool for initial feature selection and ranking in classification problems. However, it's crucial to be aware of its limitations and to use it in conjunction with other techniques for a more comprehensive and robust analysis.